One of the greatest obstacles for people when they want to start working out or working out from home is actually not knowing what to do. And I get this because before I got my personal training education, before I became a gym rat, when I wanted to start going to the gym, the question that came to my head is, well, what am I supposed to do? So right now, I want to just dive right into it and share with you the secrets that every personal trainer applies when creating a full body workout. So there's five movements that our body can do, and that if you cover these five movements in your workout, you've got a great full body workout. So those five movements are a squat, a hinge, a push, a pull, and a core. So if you think about that, your body does all of that. So squatting is like sitting down in a chair, sitting down to pick something up. A hinge is when your butt goes back, it's your hip. This is how your hips move. So that's some sort of hinge variation. Push, we're always in our life pushing things in different directions. A pull, you're always going to be pulling something towards you. Your body can do this. And then the final one, the core. This, when people think core, the core resists movement, and it assists movement. Basically, this is what keeps your body stable in all variations of movement. So I'm going to do some quick little pictures or videos so you can see what I mean by all of those. And to help you out, I created a free downloadable protocol on how to build your own home full body workouts. It covers those five movements, and within the five movements, I give you examples of what type of exercise fits in those five movements. It's down there in the description below. And don't forget to like this video or subscribe. See you soon.